Hey, what's up with y'all? It's your boy Brandon, aka Be the Marketing Dude, and I just want to give you guys this review for my online startup, right? You're on this video right now because you're probably doing your due diligence to research my online startup and see if this is something that you could use to start your affiliate marketing or Clickbank affiliate business, right? And so right now we are on the landing page. I want to just kind of walk through a couple of things with you guys, of some things that I see. And so as you see at the top, right, my online startup is a 100% free education platform, right? Created by a guy by the name of Chuck. Now I've been following Chuck for a few years. I've been seeing how he operates in the online space and the strategies that he uses. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, straight up and down. Chuck knows what he's talking about when it comes to organic marketing and get building a passive income on online. Chuck knows what he's talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and just read this sales page really quick. Right. So with this free course, he's going to teach you how to generate targeted traffic, right? And as you see right here, it says learn how you can generate the highest quality targeted traffic without spending a single cent, right? You'll do this by becoming and positioning yourself as an authority, right? As an authority affiliate, right? And you guys, this is the same exact thing that I've done on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook. He's going to show you guys a pretty much a little bit different strategy, how you can do it, how you can leverage search terms of people typing into Google and get in front of those people that are looking right now. He's going to show you how to do that. Right. He's also going to show you how to build your number one asset, right? Your email list, right? So if you're brand new, you probably like all of this is new stuff to you. But if you've been online for just a little bit of time, then you know that the follow up, the money is in the follow up, right? You gotta follow up with your people, and the best way, if you don't want to do it manual, if you don't want to manually be reaching out to people all the time, the best way to follow up with people is through your email list, is by being able to send a broadcast message to your database at once, right? And so he's going to show you how to do that. He's going to show you how to craft these emails, right? He's going to show you the tools that you need to build an email list. And what makes this system great is he's even going to allow you to use this system to build your email list, right? And so I'll go deeper into that in later on in the video, right? And then he goes into learning how to convert and turn those leads that's on your database into commissions, right? So just showing you how to craft these emails, how to sell through email and things of that nature. So I mean, the sales page says a lot, but let's go deep in. Let's go behind the scenes and see what this free course is all about, right? Because that's what you really want to know. You really want to know is, hey man, can I use this game to really build my business, right? And so I'm gonna point out a few different trainings that that'll be key, right? First one I'm gonna point out is this YouTube training, right? The power of YouTube. So in this free training, right, he basically gives you guys the game. I've actually paid for courses up to $500 for some of this information, but he's going to break down how you can set up your channel, resources so you can do keyword research. He's going to show you the best type of videos that rank. He's going to show you different ranking strategies. Right, this is master's level game. If you're a newbie, you're literally, this is literally gold, because you're getting this for free, right? Literally, I've paid hundreds of dollars for similar training to this when I first started my online business, and you guys are getting it for free if you take action and go to onlinebread.net and actually go ahead and register for the free course. Right, and so I just kind of want to give you guys some games, see, give you a behind the scenes tour. Right, he's gonna go into let's see what else. Let's go up. If you struggle with lead generation, right, he's going to go into lead generation, right? He's going to go into setting up the capture pages. And let me see if I can get it to drop down. My computer's acting a little slow, but let's let it load up real quick. There it goes. It's starting to catch up. Looks like John made another $20 commission, and I'm gonna get. And so for the people that want to make money, I'll get into that in a little bit as well. You can actually make money just from referring this free course, right? And so, boom, lead generation. Let's see. All right. So as you guys see, lead generation formula, right? And I mean, I'm just looking at the stuff that he's giving you guys for free. And like a lot of people, a lot of influencers, a lot of gurus wouldn't give this information away unless you were a coaching client or a high ticket, coach a high ticket product or something that they gave it away. But he's giving this stuff away for free. Right. I mean, he's breaking down how to build quality lead magnets so you can start generating leads. He's breaking down the formula, right? Showing you what he uses to create capture pages, right? So you guys, very, very valuable system. If you were wondering if it was a scam, it's completely not a scam. If you are somebody that's looking to earn commissions using Clickbank, right? Using Clickbank, the free affiliate marketplace, right? This is a great course to start off with. Instead of just going out there grabbing your Clickbank links and spamming them everywhere. This is going to give you strategy. This is going to give you ways that you can actually build a long-term business where you keep getting commissions and it's not just one hit off commissions, right? So you guys go ahead, take action, go to onlinebread.net. So let me actually get into, for the people that want to refer this, right? You can actually refer this. I understand some people don't have money to invest in the different programs, but you can actually get started with this program for free. Right, all you gotta do is create a ClickBank account, right? And then for each person that you refer that upgrades to a higher package, you get $20. Right. So if you're serious, go ahead. What am I looking for? Active affiliate. If you're serious, go ahead. Send me a message. You guys, I just got started with this program, so I'm gonna be promoting it hard and give you guys the results that I've gotten. Um, yeah, my computer is running really slow, so I might stop this video short and do a retake and get deeper into it. But yeah, because what I was trying to see, let's see if it works. Technology acts funny sometimes. When you really want to use technology, it just wants to give you a hard time for no reason. Right? When you're trying to be a cool, chill person and give value to the people, man. But yeah, that's all you gotta do, you guys. Set up a ClickBank account as you see right here. You earn $20 per insider upgrade. It pays through ClickBank. So yeah, man, I give this program a thumbs up. I recommend it. I'm gonna get into some of the benefits on a later video. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick overview. If you already have the course, go through the course, right? Unless you are already advanced in this affiliate marketing game and you're getting consistent commissions, go through the course, right? If you're a newbie, right, check out the free system, right? They're gonna build a free lead generation system for you, so you don't have to worry about doing all of the techie work, right? You can literally just start promoting and start getting commissions, right? So you guys, let me know what you think. Shoot me a comment below the video if you're on YouTube. If you have any questions, like I said, give this program a thumbs up, especially if you're trying to get in the ClickBank and get commissions. So I will see you guys on the next video. Deuce.